came to, it was a few minutes past midnight. The bruises on my face and head were beginning to swell. I felt dazed, sick to my stomach. I made my way out of the park and down the road to a public phone booth where I called my partner, Ed Jacobs. He came out right away and drove me back to the hotel. Ed put in a call to Captain Kearney, and he made arrangements to have a doctor sent over to examine me. He treated me for numerous cuts and bruises about the face and head and the upper part of the body. There were no serious injuries. At 10 minutes past 1, Captain Kearney called back and wanted to know if Ed and I could meet him at his home. He didn't want to take the chance of being seen around our hotel. Ed and I drove out to his house in the Silver Lake district.
Come on in, sit down.
Yeah, thanks, Skipper.
How do you feel, Joe?
On the side wasn't there. I started to turn, but it was too late.
All right, where's that? Give it a little stand. Give it to me. Check his pockets now. No identification on him. He's clean.
Let's go. He's got his sample.
You are listening to Dragnet, authentic stories of your police force in action.
Fatima, America's first, largest-selling blended cigarette. Now king size.
See the difference, taste the difference, smoke the difference. And in Fatima, the difference is quality.
Yes, you get all the advantages of extra length, plus Fatima quality, which no other king-size cigarette has. You see?
You just witnessed the most unusual gas pump restorations by Gas Pump Ronnie in Southern California. Thank you, Ronnie, for sharing your pumps with us. And now let's take a close look at your collection. Gas Pump Ronnie was gracious enough to allow me to come in, take photographs, shoot videos, including one called the Black Cat Garage. If you haven't seen the Black Cat Garage, it's a must-see. Look it up on YouTube when you have a chance. Thank you, Ronnie, and all of you for watching this video.
No. If you see a lemon come up first, you ain't getting nothing.